And we are in our part 3 of our common algebra errors. So parts 1 and 2 are already in our playlist. So please check the algebra playlist and watch the first parts of our algebra errors series. So in this third part, so we have here simplify, and then we have 8 minus 3 divided by 2. All right. And this would be wrong. Don't do this. Please do not do this. Do not do this kind of process. So you are given with this. All right. Please do not divide 8 by 2. Please do not divide 8 by 2, and then you have 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is completely wrong. You cannot do that. You cannot separate 8 and 3 there, because 8 minus 3, they are not multiplied, all right? So they're not factors. So that means 8 minus 3 should be processed first. So you need to subtract 8 minus 3 first, then divide it by 2. All right? So the correct way should be subtract first 8 minus 3, which is 5, and then divide by 2. The correct answer is 2.5. Right? So this is crazy. If you do it like this, it's so crazy, but I've seen something like this happen before. All right? Please don't do that. All right? So do not divide 8 by 2 first. All right? Because you need to subtract 8 minus 3 first, then you divide the answer by 2. The answer is 2.5. All right? And let's have here another common problem. Here we have solve 2x squared equal to x, right? And here's the wrong answer, all right? How would you solve 2x squared is equal to x? And this one, please do not do this. How did you come up with 2x equal to 1? So what happened is you divide this one by x, and you divide this one by the other side also by x. So divide the left side by x. What is left is 2x, right? And divide the right side with x, and what is left is 1. And then you solve for x. The x is 1/2. All right? So that is how you solve for x. All right? You divide x, and then that is actually the answer now. You got an answer of 1/2, but this one is wrong. How would you approach this kind of problem? So let's do this again. So if you are given with this, what you will do is to, what happened here? You can move x to the other side. So if you move x to the other side, it will become minus x, correct? And you now have 2x squared minus x. And you can then factor out x. When you factor out x, what is left is 2x minus 1. Correct? Okay, so we move x first to the other side. It becomes 2x squared minus x, right? Equal to 0, right? And after that, we look at the common factor, and that is x. We put x outside, and what is left inside is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Once you have those, and we have a rule, right? Once you have factors, you can equate both to 0, right? So you can equate x equal to 0, and you can equate 2x minus 1 equal to 0. All right? So the answers would be x equal to 0, and then from here you solve for your x, and x equal to 1. So these are your answers, right? X equal to 0 and x equal to 1. This is the correct way. All right? Although you did get 1/2 here, but the process is just wrong. All right. And all right, the process is just wrong. Remember, it is x squared. So we expect to have two values of x. All right. Since the highest power is 2, then we will expect to have two answers for x. So in the first part, you only have one because you canceled out one of the x's. All right. So that is wrong. So this is the correct way of solving it, because in here you get two values of x. One is x equal to 0, and the other one is x is equal to 1/2. And there you have your two answers for x. All right, and that would be the part 3 of our series of common algebra errors. So please follow me for more videos like this in the coming days. All right, and if you have video suggestions, just leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. All right, bye.